guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm doing something a little different. Actually, it's something I've never even done before, so this could be a fail, but I am going to legit try my hardest to make it not a fail. So I'm gonna do a braid out. It's crazy because I've been natural my entire life, and I've recently started wearing my natural hair, and I've never done a braid out. Or maybe I did. If I did, it had to be ugly, because I don't got no pictures of it. No, I don't think I did. I don't think I did. But let's jump right into this video. I'm actually going to be trying a new product. Well, it's new to me. I've never worked with it, so that's another thing I'm worried about. My hair is freshly washed and deep conditioned. Okay, so that deep conditioner is the truth. I use the Aunt Jackie's coconut cream deep conditioner. I'm gonna insert a picture somewhere, but y'all look at this. This is no product on my hair. Boy, you better stop. Look at it. No product, and it feels good. It's some, because people are like, oh, all deep conditioners are the same. They definitely not, because I've had some deep conditioners. I ain't never using it again. Like, it was that bad. Okay, so first, y'all, I'm gonna start by parting my hair the way I want it to fall. And then for the back, because I'm not gonna do all those sections together, I'm gonna do like a zigzag so it doesn't fall like in a part, I guess. If that makes sense. Like, I zigzag the back part because I don't want it to fall in the natural part. It just helps it fall better when you take them. I'm gonna do them in sections, I think. I'm gonna try to do like 4 braids a section or something like that. I hope this works. I really, really hope this works. Okay, you guys, so I'm gonna start with the back section. I'm gonna start by applying my leave-in. I am still using, there's barely anything in here. I hate leave-in bottles like this, like with the squeeze tops, because you can't get it all out. I hate that. But I love this leave-in conditioner. Like, it's so good. This is the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey Intensive Hydrating Conditioner. Okay. I'm gonna apply that to the whole section. Detangle. And then this is a product new to me. I've never even used anything from this line. The TGIN, thank God it's natural, Twist and Define cream with coconut oil and vitamin E. I'm gonna use that as well for this braid out. So, what's thick? Shoddy thick. Okay. Cut that in half. And then, just for a little bit of hold, I'm gonna try to add some gel, but I don't want it too strong, so I'm not gonna use Eco Style. I'm gonna use the Main Choice. It's Crystal Orchid Biotin Infused Styling Gel. I am scared. I'm gonna rub that through the section. Okay, so I'm gonna go in with my Demi, help define it a little bit, and then just gonna braid this whole section. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, child, this look horrible. Add a little bit more gel to the ends and like try to coil it. Oh, it ain't coiling, bro. It ain't. Okay, bro. Hold up. Hold up, bro. It's failing already, bro. What is going on? Let me see, fam. Come on. All right, there we go. There, it cool. It cool. All right, let's go.
braids and I get jerseys daily. Don't be not back, you know. Don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it though. I try to hear it though. And if he knew ya, he would understand ya. Know that you're my man and you would never hurt me, no. Let me come and see ya so that we can be alone. Baby, I know a place that we can go and be alone. As long as you make sure that you're safe to get me home. Don't worry, baby, I'm outside. You on my feet, baby. You got your daddy, just don't know. You ain't never come, when I wake up, we be eating on the low. I'm outside, we can go high. The boys gon' have fun. I'm outside, outside on my feet, got your daddy, just don't know.
All the braids. Let me see. I got 3, 5, 8, about 13 braids in my head. Yeah, I look crazy. I look like silly off the color purple. But you know, it's all for the process. It's all for the end game. It's all for the end results. So yeah, I look crazy. So I'm gonna let this dry overnight and then I'm gonna take it down. I cooled the ends instead of braiding them all the way down because I don't know if y'all pay attention, like when you have braids in your head and then you take them down, if they're braided all the way to the ends be like stretched and stringy and like long, and I wanted them to be coiled and have like some snapback. So it's gonna be a little elongated because of the braids, but I don't want my ends to look like that. So I coiled all of them. Yeah. So just gonna let it dry and then I'll come back to you guys with the final results. Well, with the takedown. Yeah, I'm gonna come back to you guys with the
Know that we can make it, 'cause we won't let it break it. I don't care who's with it. It's you and me again, so early knows the first that lets me know you feel my girl. Oh, baby. Oh, I swear I'll never leave you. All I have to you, by your side, I'll show you the way a girl needs her. You don't need a lot of money. I'm ready, come and pick me up. Pick me up. Baby, I know a place that we can go to be alone, yeah. As long as you make sure that you're safely get me home.
Okay, you guys, this is the finished look. Hold up. This look a little flat right here. Let me try to. This is the finished look, and I love it. It's big, it's voluminous, like it has some curls to it, but it's not like too structured. I love the way this looks. It's like, it looks really good. I'll definitely do a braid out again. I like it. Y'all comment below. Let me know how y'all feel about this look. Like, would you be trying a braid out? Have you ever did a braid out? Or braid outs like your go-to or whatever? It is time consuming. Wash and go is definitely faster, even though you're using a ton of more products, but this is time consuming. The braid up process, the takedown process is time consuming, but it's not too bad. I could have did more braids, but I wanted more definition, so that's, I mean, I could have did bigger braids, so that would have been less braids, but I wanted more definition, so that's why I tried to make them a little smaller. Of course, if your hair is thicker than mine, you would have to do more braids if you wanted more definition. I think I did about 13. I did count them and insert them in the clip, so that's good. And I am glad I coiled the ends, because you see how they are like, you know, a little bouncy down here. They would have been kind of stringy if I didn't, so I am happy about that. But this looks really good. I like it. How y'all feel about it? I think it's cute. I think it's real cute. But yeah, you guys, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.